Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. So today is just a little tutorial if you are having trouble with the Kscraft envelope maker die. So for instance, if this is you, here's say this was like your envelope and this is happening, stay tuned. Okay, so what I found best is to cut this out in 110 pound cardstock. Obviously that's going to be a solid color, but it works better for what you need it to do. So there is dotted lines on these two parts. You're going to crease that one way and then back the other way. And you need to use a bone folder, especially in the middle, because that's where it loses momentum when you're ripping. So both ways, bone folded, creased, varnished, whatever it's called. And then again on the other side, boop, boop. And then your last little line is the part that gets glued, which you don't need to crease twice. Okay, so say you have your envelope. I'm not gonna do like a size reference or anything. I'm gonna use my Barely Arts for this part. I'm ready to roll. Okay, so say here's your envelope, this part. This piece right here, the big, thick, wide one, I'm gonna use my tape runner or double-sided tape and just run it right against that dotted line. Don't touch the dotted line, but just get right next to it. I got this idea from the mailers that I get in the mail from like Amazon and stuff. I'm like, why do they have double-sided tape right there? And it makes sense. You know, this die, it's like, oh, it's probably the same thing. Okay, so like this. So say this is your envelope. You sent it to your recipient. You just pull up on these tabs. They do have like embossing detail. And voila, bada bing, bada boom. So yeah, that's just my advice. Again, this is the 5-inch one. You can make your thing 5 inches and 12 inches long, or 5 inches by 5 inches. So you can do all sorts of different sizes. But again, just do those tips and it should work way better for your recipient to rip it open. Bye guys.